Lublin Castle, located in the eastern Polish city of Lublin, is a historic and fascinating building. As one of the oldest castles in Poland, it has not only witnessed the country's historical changes, but also holds an important place in the field of culture and art. The history of Lublin Castle dates back to the 12th century, when a wooden fortress was built here for defense against foreign enemies. By the 14th century, the castle was rebuilt as a stone building and became the residence of the Polish King Kazimierz III. The castle underwent many alterations and extensions over the next few centuries, resulting in the magnificent complex we see today. The architecture of Lublin Castle is a blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque elements. The central tower of the castle is one of its most prominent landmarks, towering over the entire city of Lublin. The chapel of the Holy Trinity inside the castle is famous for its exquisite frescoes, masterpieces of 15th century Orthodox art, which are breathtakingly colorful and detailed. Lublin Castle is not only a historical site, but also a center of culture and art. The castle houses the Lublin Museum, which showcases a rich archaeological, historical, and artistic collection. The museum's exhibits include medieval weapons, artifacts, paintings, and sculptures, showcasing Poland's rich cultural heritage. In addition, various cultural events and exhibitions are regularly held here, attracting a large number of tourists and scholars to visit and study the site. Today, Lublin Castle has become one of the major tourist attractions in Poland. Visitors can take a guided tour of the various parts of the castle to learn about its history and architectural features. The castle's courtyard and gardens are also a great place for relaxation, where tourists can stroll around and enjoy the beautiful scenery and ancient architecture. Lublin Castle is not only a witness to Polish history, but also a treasure trove of culture and art. It has attracted countless tourists and scholars with its unique architectural style and rich historical content. Whether you are interested in history or love art and culture, Lublin Castle is a must-see destination.